It's Thanksgiving, so good morning. My coffee. I'm gonna get up and get moving. This is the TRESemmé Repair and Protect 7. This is my hair washed, unbrushed, but I'm gonna use this one too. Since I didn't condition my hair is desperate need of some help. This actually smells really good, so comb that through my hair. Now I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I just brushed my teeth. I was gonna wash my face, but I figured I could get away with just some micellar water this morning because I washed, exfoliated, moisturized, all that good stuff last night. So I still have this Garnier Skin Active one. Maybe finish that up. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna start getting ready with whatever makeup I'm gonna wear today. This is just removing any oil or anything. It's on my face, and I can tell my skin looks oily. Part of it's moisturizer, and part of it's the overnight oil and stuff. This is the Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. Just trying to use this up. Got it as a little sample. I just have some little samples on my desk that I'm trying to use up. This is the Cellex-C Eye Balm. I know you can't see it from there. And then I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Top Secret Moisturizer. And now my skin is back to looking just how it was, nice and greasy. It is really cloudy outside, and I'm not turning my light on because it'll completely wash me out. So that's why I'm just doing it this way. This is the MAC Studio Fix something. Okay, so I can't see very well what I'm doing, so I had to turn my light on. So I'm just going to list the products below what I'm using, but I'm going to use this next. It's the Mineralize Skin Finish. So yeah, I'll just list everything below. So it is 1:42, and I'm supposed to meet them at 2 o'clock. But I just wanted to show you my makeup real quick. It's super natural. My hair, I just did this kind of to the side thing. Keeping it really casual. My top, it's just this little shirt and some jeans. I don't know if you could see them. But yeah, that is my look, so I'm gonna get going. So I am headed over there right now. Never been there before, so this should be interesting. So I'll probably show you what I'm eating, and yeah, I've never eaten here, so we'll see what they have. picture of our Bounty.
Didn't even eat. I think because I didn't eat this morning, that's probably why.
It's late and I'm going home. Finally. Hi everyone, I made it back home and yeah, I just let my hair down. So that was pretty much my day. It's my first time really eating at a restaurant like that on Thanksgiving, but kitty. So let me just show you the makeup I wore today. I left it out intentionally so I could show you. That's the stuff I just unboxed on my channel. Videos are probably up already. If not, they will be. But I just went really minimal. I used this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And then I'm really not liking this mascara. This is the first time I've tried it. It's a L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes. Yeah, I don't get what it's supposed to do. The brush is really dense and it's really hard to work it through my lashes. I use this eyeliner, MAC Bountiful Brown, just on my upper and lower lash line. I use this shade for my eyebrows. Just did that, just a quick eyebrow fill. And then this is something different. I haven't used this palette in a while. It's the Comfort Zone Wet n Wild palette. I just use one shade all over my lids, and that's that pink shade there. And then for foundation, I used the Studio Fix, which I showed earlier. And then I used medium deep MSF for bronzer, and then the MAC Prep+Prime to top it off, and then the MAC Fix Plus to set it. So I guess I am done for the day, guys. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.